English Express. Boost your speaking skills for beginners. Enhance your fluency by journaling. Detail your daily routine, express goals, recall cherished memories, describe dream destinations, and reflect on weekly challenges for improved self-awareness. Transform your speaking skills by reading out loud. Select a book with dialogue-rich scenes. Mimic characters' voices for intonation and pacing. Dive into news articles, summarize key points, and act out movie script scenes for pronunciation and emotional expression. Improve your speaking with self-recorded conversations. Choose topics, hit record, and discuss without worrying about perfection. Listen back. Identify areas for improvement. Use cue cards for structure, set timers for focused discussions, and jot down reflections after each recording. Expand your vocabulary with flashcards. Create daily flashcards, organize them thematically, set timers for quizzes, and transform flashcard practice into memory games. Create a conversation jar with prompts for varied vocabulary use. Discover the goldmine of language exchange apps. Connect with native speakers, participate in exchanges, explore profiles for shared interests, connect with speakers from diverse regions, and embrace feedback for continuous improvement. Remember, practice is key. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe and join our language learning community. Until next time, keep speaking, learning, and keep shining.